Hello friends, how are you? Yeah, so in our last video we have seen the explanation of this lesson, isn't it? The chair. This is the lesson from Poorvi text unit 2. Today we will see the textual activities of this lesson. First of all, this is a word grid from which you have to find some words that are related to friendship from this grid, and I have already done it. You please see. First one is laugh, second is helpful, third one is hope, fourth is loyal, fifth is loving, sixth is caring, seventh is trust, and eighth is support. So here all the words are here it is mentioned with a bold letters, so it's easy to find the words from this word grid. So these are the 8 words which you have to select from this word grid, and these are all the words related to friendship. Okay, these are the words related to friendship: love, helpful, hope, loyal, loving, caring, trust, and support. Now fill in the blanks to complete the words which means the same as friend or friends with the help of the meanings. So you can see a person who you do things together with. We call them partner. Partner. An informal word of friends. Informal. Friends के लिए एक informal word. That is buddies. 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 Coming to the next page. A person who you spend a lot of time with is called companion. 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 Children who are in the same class as you at school. So what we say? Classmates. If we are studying in the same class, all the students we are saying as classmates. Now there are so many words for a friend. What do you call that is in your own language, that you can say in your own language what you are saying. Fine. In Malayalam we say Kootukaran and Koottukari. Now coming to this, let us discuss. Mario was very proud of having so many friends. State whether it is true or false. It is true. He was having many friends. What did the grandfather take from the attic? He took a special chair, an invisible chair. Either you can write special chair or you can write invisible chair. Will Mario face any challenge? Yes, he will he will face, because he is having an invisible chair now. So it is a challenge for him. Will Mario be able to use the magic? It is also yes only. He will be able to use the magic. Now coming to the next questions. Let us discuss. First one is, Mario successfully sat on the invisible chair on his first attempt. It is false, because many times he fell down, isn't it? The friends were laughing at him. So sat on his first attempt is false. Mario's grandfather challenged him to a bet of fruit chart. Okay, the bet was for a fruit chart. Now here you see, match the following characters with their action. Gunit, Asma and Deba held Mario up so he wouldn't fall, or made fun of Mario's attempt. We have seen that they have held Mario up so that he wouldn't fall. So this is the correct option. Now, read the following lines and answer the question that follows. So take it is a very special chair, so and so. Though fill in the blanks with the 2 words, that is the chair is dash and dash. The chair is invisible and special. Now next is, why was it tricky to sit on the chair? The chair. It was tricky to sit on the chair because it was invisible. We all know that the chair is invisible, isn't it? So we can write that it was tricky to sit on the chair because it was invisible. So Mario couldn't see it to properly position himself. He was not able to position where to sit. Okay, fine. Next, why does Mario's grandfather call the chair special? Now, why he is calling special? You see, Mario's grandfather calls the chair special because it has a magical quality that reveals who Mario's true friends are when he manages to sit on it. So what is grandfather saying? Grandfather is saying that he should sit on the chair. And if he is able to sit on the chair, it will be with the help of only his true friends. So your answer is, because it has a magical quality that reveals who Mario's true friends are when he manages to sit on it. Coming to the next one. Wait, just a slight technical problem, he said, trying again. But again he missed the seat, causing more surprised looks and laughter. Mario wouldn't give up. Fill in the blanks with a suitable reason. Mario says there was a technical problem because he missed the seat. He fell down, isn't it? He fell down, he missed the seat. So he says that there is a technical problem. Mario's friends were very caring and helpful. State whether it is true or false. It is false. We cannot say friends. Only few friends, no? So we cannot say that all the friends were caring and helpful, because all the friends were laughing again and making fun of him. So they were not true friends. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. Mario wouldn't give up. This shows he is a strong-willed. Okay, he is strong-willed, determined person. Now answer the following questions. First question is, what was the bet about? The bet was about whether Mario had real friends or just companions at school. Grandfather was saying that he had not many friends, and Mario was saying he had many friends. So the bet was about whether Mario had real friends or just companions at school. Next, what happened when Mario sat on the chair for the first time? When Mario sat on the chair for the first time, he missed and fell, causing laughter among his classmates. When he fell down, what happened? All the friends were laughing at him. How was Mario able to find his real friends? Mario was able to find his real friends when he finally managed to sit on the invisible chair. Through his true friends, Guneet, Asma and Deba, who supported him to prevent him from falling. So this is how he found his real friends. Do you think the magic chair test was good? Why do you say so? Yes, the magic chair test was good because it helped Mario distinguish between his real friends who supported him and others who laughed at his attempts. This is how he finally finds how many true friends he had and who are the true friends. What does friends for life mean to? Meaning of friends for life. Friends for life means having friends who are supportive, caring and trustworthy, and with whom you share a deep bond that lasts through various life experiences. That means in our life we will have different stages, and in these stages these true friends will always be there with you and support you. Finally, the last question. The grandfather's idea helped Mario find out real friends. Mention any other way that would help you find out who are your real friends. Another way to find out who real friends are could be through difficult situations where true friends show empathy, support, and loyalty, like Mario's experience with the invisible chair. So, in difficult situations, even those who are with you, who are helping you, who are always with you, standing with you, they will be your true friends. So, these were the question answers. Now, the textual activities. Next is, read the following words from the text. This is friendly, suddenly, talking, caring, called, showed. Here, complete the following table by dividing the words into two parts. The first one is done. That is friend. Friendly is the first word. So, friend plus ly. Now, you see, friend is a word, and ly, when we are adding to ly with it, we are getting friendly. So, the letters which we are adding after the word is called suffix. You see here, the words in column A, that is, we have written this suddenly. Suddenly, the root word is sudden plus ly. Talking, talk plus ing. Carry plus ing, carrying. Called plus ed, called. The last word is showed. So what will be the word here? Show plus ed. showed. Now the words in column A, that is this first column, friend, sudden, talk, carry, call, show. These are called root words. Okay, these are root words, and these are the suffix. In column B, it is suffix. That is these letters we are adding with the root words. The sequence of letters that are in column B which come after the root word are called suffix. So if we are adding the letters after the word, we say it as suffix, and if we are adding the words in front of the word, we say it as prefix. So here it is given is suffix. These words, these letters are added with this, and we're forming a friend becomes friendly, sudden becomes suddenly, talking, carry becomes carrying, call becomes called, show plus ed showed. So these are called suffixes, and these are the root words. Now here you see, match the following root words with suitable suffix. You see here the root words are given in this, and second is suffix are given. You can use a suffix more than once as shown, like magic, magic plus cal, magical, magical, magical. That means the suffix is al and the root word is magic. So we get a new word magical. And sentence you see, the magician performed an amazing magical act. So with this magical word we have formed a sentence also. Now care, care plus full, careful. Now we have to form a sentence with careful. So we can make a sentence like, the surgeon was careful during the delicate operation. I was careful while I was handling the glass glass. So this type of sentence you can make your own sentences. Next is celebrate. Celebrate plus ION, celebration. So sentence we can say, the family gathered for a grand celebration on their grandchild's birthday. Okay, so celebration. Next is laugh. Laugh plus ing, laughing. Sentence, the children were laughing and playing in the park. Now let us see the next is wonder. Wonder plus full, wonderful. So sentence we can say, she had a wonderful time with her new friends. Or you can say, my mother is wonderful, always putting the family first. So different sentence you can make. Help plus full, helpful. The travel agent provided helpful information for the tour package. Okay, so that is helpful. Next is friend. Friend plus ship, friendship. Sentence we can make like, friendship helped her throughout the difficult times in her life. Okay, so make your own sentence. Courage. Courage plus EOUS, courageous. The courageous climber conquered the mountain peak. The courageous child faced the difficulty bravely. So sentences are, you can make your own sentences. Anyhow, here root word plus suffix we have formed the new words here, and sentence also we have seen. Now here you see, read the following lines from the story. Mario, brave and determined, took the strange invisible chair. You have already described the chair here. Now describe what kind of person Mario is. So we can say that Mario is clever, he is a brave boy, he is a determined boy, he is a friendly boy. The word that describe the quality of a person or a thing, we say it as adjectives. Adjectives means describing word. So we can use the describing word clever, brave, determined, friendly for Mario. Now match each words in column A with suitable word noun in column B. Here in first column it is adjectives, and second column it is noun. We are making a, you can make more than one combination. One has been done as an example. Here phrases we are forming like brave. Brave, from here we have selected soldier, brave soldier. Okay, brave. So brave is adjective, soldier is a noun. The phrase formed is brave soldier. The brave soldier marched ahead. We formed a sentence with it. Now clever. With clever we can take plan. Clever plan. Okay, so we can write here clever plan. So here clever plus plan, clever plan. So we can make sentence like, the clever plan saved us from the robbers. Tasty, tasty and peanuts. noun peanuts adding tasty peanuts. I bought some tasty peanuts. Heavy, heavy and rain, heavy rain. So phrase is heavy rain. You can say heavy. The heavy rain caused the flood. Slight, slight plus cold, slight cold. So we can make a sentence like slight cold made him uncomfortable. True, true plus friend, true friend. True friend always supports me or supports us. So in this way, these adjectives plus noun, we formed a new phrase, and with the phrase we have formed the sentence now here. Now next is complete the paragraph with suitable adjective noun pairing. Use the words in the box given below. Now you see here the words are given. You have to number. We can number it. Once upon a time in a little village, a happy boy. We can write this first. A happy boy named Abhishek found a happy boy, and we will not write because it is ha. Ha is consonant sound, so a happy boy. We have to take this a. A happy boy named Abhishek found dash in the attic. So what did he found? We can say that he found a old book. So old, o is a consonant or vowel. It's a vowel. So what we will write? An old book in the attic. He read dash. He read amazing stories. From the book, what he is reading? Amazing stories about fairylands. Dash and dash. Fairylands. Then we can write number 4 as colorful creatures. Fairylands, colorful creatures, and what is there? Old castles. Okay, old castles. Number 5. So he read amazing stories about fairylands, then colorful creatures and old castles. Abhishek's eyes got big as he imagined these. What is he doing? Imagining all this? Magical adventures. Okay, so fine here. Magical adventures. He told his friend about the stories and they started to have their own fantastic adventures when they played together. So this is the fill in the blanks. Now this is let us listen. This we will listen to a story and then you have to answer it. This you can do in the class. Next is the activities which you have to do it yourself. So that will be developing your language skill in speaking, writing, listening and all. So I hope you have understood the activities done in this class. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.